Sleep. You find yourself, you can't sleep, it's stressful to sleep, your sleep is interrupted, you wake up at night, in the middle of the night, and when you have a long night's sleep, you wake up, you're still tired, even after, let's say, 9 hours of sleep, and your sleep is restless, you can't relax. Does that happen to you? If that is you, stay with me. I will explain to you some natural solutions and answers to help you turn this around and give you the benefits of being able to sleep peacefully without interruptions, sleep like a baby, have a deep sleep, and you wake up, you're not tired, you wake up with energy, you're relaxed and motivated for the day. If that's what you want, stay with me. I'll explain to you. I'm Allan Wohrnitz, nutrition expert. I help people restore their health with nutrition, and this is one of the things I've helped many people change this around within one day. That means tonight, when you go to sleep, I will give you an answer as to what you can do to be able to go and sleep peacefully and have all these benefits. How this is done, there's a product which has 3 minerals: calcium, magnesium, potassium. Those 3 minerals are what is needed to enable you to sleep peacefully. When this is missing, these are the problems that happen, and there are other problems that happen such as cramps and stress, where the stress levels are high and you can't cope with it. So these are the things. So now, how do you lose calcium, magnesium and potassium? How you lose it, what depletes from the body is basically carbs, sugar. If you have carbohydrates and sugar, it depletes. And the carbs are like in the donuts, biscuits, cakes, bread and pasta. Those are very bad. They actually remove mainly the potassium. When potassium is removed, your muscles can't relax. And when you can't relax, that's when you feel agitated. And you get the cramps as well, and the muscles don't release easily. Another thing that removes potassium and magnesium is alcohol. Stress does that, junk foods and medications. So these are the things that contribute to this problem that you're having with sleep. So see how you can work on that. I can give you a list in a link where you find junk foods and how you can change it into a proper diet. And a diet that has calcium, magnesium and potassium is what's necessary for you to replace it. Now, if you're experiencing this and you want to sleep peacefully tonight, this is the product. Calcium, magnesium and potassium by Essential Balance. It has the right ingredients in there. All you have to do is put it in hot water. It will dissolve. You drink it. It's clear, and you take it just before going to sleep, and you find yourself suddenly your body is relaxing, and you fall asleep easily, and you find yourself in a deep sleep. And in the morning you wake up, as I said, full of energy. This product does the wonders. It's helped many people. It feeds the nerves. It relaxes the muscles and the brain, and it reduces muscle pain, it reduces cramps, reduces stiffness and reduces aches. And only then it will be easy for you to fall asleep. So good luck, get your CalMag and experience this tonight, and give me some feedback that the next morning this has happened to you, and share this with friends that you know that are experiencing this so that they too can get those benefits.